Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise App weekly on settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will search about the application of Wise and you will enter here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.